Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. It's an absolutely outstanding day here at the castle in Kissimmee. We're getting ready to unload the TPO. Actually, we're going to load it to the roof. Show you guys what we got going here. There's quite a bit of material here. We're getting ready to go. Pretty exciting. This has been about 6 months in the making. So as you can see, we're going to load this up on the top of the castle. I'm going to go up there now and help them roll these rolls, and we'll take a little bit more video. Talk to you guys in a minute. Amazing they can put this up here remotely. It's got the controls, and there comes a bunch of TPO. 1, 2, 3. We're going to be here for a little while. We're going to have 4 rolls at a time, and there's 36 rolls left on this run. So anyway, let you guys see how this TPO gets loaded to the roof. What'll happen is we'll cut those and roll them, space them out up here on the roof. So we'll show you a little more in a second.